Can a provider decide to charge whatever fee they want, or should they go with what Medicare or Medicaid or myself have, which is a flat fee? Can we charge our own fees, and then how does it work?
Yeah, 100%. We charge our own rates. We have our own billing structure, completely separate, completely different than Medicaid. If we charged what Medicaid charged, we wouldn't be in business. So Medicaid pays about $50 a day, and we earn about $110 a day.
Okay. And who pays the rest? Is it the family members, or do we just charge Medicaid and they pay the rest? How does it work?
So with the way we're set up, we can't necessarily charge the difference to the Medicaid client.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Thank you. So it's going to depend. It's going to depend, but at the end of the day, we're focused on Middle America. So our market being focused on Middle America, it's like I look at those that we take care of on the Medicaid side. It's kind of like us. It's like our way to give back to our local community.
Thank you.
Yep.